Crypto is evolving fast, but most beginners still struggle to start the right way. What if there was a smarter, simpler way to enter the crypto world? Welcome to TokenGod, your gateway to starting crypto investing the right way in 2026. TokenGod isn't just another crypto platform. It's built to simplify investing for beginners while offering powerful tools for growth. From easy onboarding to secure transactions, TokenGod helps you take control of your financial future. Starting is simple. Visit TokenGod.eu and create your account in just a few steps. Secure your profile, verify your details, and you're ready to explore the world of crypto. Security is everything in crypto, and TokenGod makes it a priority. With advanced protection systems and secure infrastructure, your investments stay protected while you focus on growing your portfolio. You don't need a big budget to start. With TokenGod, begin small and scale as you learn. Smart investing isn't about big risks, it's about consistent growth. TokenGod allows you to explore multiple crypto opportunities in one place. Diversify your investments, track performance, and manage everything seamlessly. A balanced portfolio is the key to long-term success. Forget emotional trading. With TokenGod, you get a clear, structured approach to investing, helping you avoid common mistakes like panic selling or chasing hype. Stay focused, stay smart. In the fast-moving crypto world, staying updated is key. TokenGod keeps you connected with insights and trends so you can make informed decisions. Starting your crypto journey doesn't have to be complicated. With TokenGod, you get simplicity, security, and smart investing, all in one place. Ready to start? Visit TokenGod.eu today and take your first step into the future of finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to grow.